Are you stuck trying to choose between CyberGhost VPN and IPVanish? In this video, we'll compare CyberGhost VPN versus IPVanish to help you decide which one's better for frequent travelers and which is best for multi-device households. Stay tuned until the end because, after testing them both extensively, I'll share my recommendation for a superior alternative. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's start with CyberGhost VPN, and right off the bat, one of its biggest selling points is the global network of servers. If you're a frequent traveler, especially if you move across multiple countries, CyberGhost's coverage stands out. With over 7,000 servers in 90+ countries, you'll have plenty of options to connect to the best local or international servers for faster speeds and access to region-locked content. It's hard to ignore this when you need a VPN that just works, no matter where you are. That said, it does get a little slower if you're connecting to distant countries, so it might not always be the quickest when accessing faraway servers. Next, let's talk about IPVanish. If you have multiple devices in your home, IPVanish has an edge here. One of its standout features is the unlimited device connections on a single account. This is perfect for households with several people, all using different devices like phones, tablets, laptops, and smart TVs. IPVanish's easy-to-use interface also allows seamless installation across all those devices. So it's a no-hassle solution for households with a lot of tech. The third thing you'll notice when comparing both services is privacy and security. Both CyberGhost VPN and IPVanish have solid security features, including AES 256-bit encryption, but CyberGhost takes the privacy game to the next level with its no-logs policy. While IPVanish claims not to store user data, it had some privacy controversies in the past that still linger. So if you're looking for the best guarantee that your data won't be logged, CyberGhost is probably the better choice, especially for frequent travelers who value anonymity when browsing in different regions. The fourth thing I want to mention is speed. While CyberGhost VPN does have a large server network, speed isn't always consistent, especially on long-distance connections. IPVanish generally has better performance in terms of speed. However, CyberGhost offers optimized servers for streaming and torrenting, which can be a big win for travelers who want reliable access to Netflix or other content while abroad. Next up, let's look at the ease of use. Both VPNs are relatively user-friendly, but CyberGhost takes a slight lead. It has a more intuitive app layout, and its one-click connection makes it very easy to get started, even for beginners. IPVanish, on the other hand, is a bit more complicated for first-time users, but offers a lot of customization options once you get the hang of it, especially when it comes to fine-tuning the connection settings. Now, let's address pricing. CyberGhost offers a long-term pricing plan that's more budget-friendly if you're planning to commit for several years, while IPVanish's plans are slightly more expensive, but offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. For people just looking to try one out for a short period, IPVanish gives you a little more flexibility to test it risk-free for a month. And now, here's the thing, while both of these options are decent choices, they're not perfect. If you're a frequent traveler or someone managing a household with lots of devices, you might want something that offers better speeds, more reliable privacy, and a solid connection across multiple devices. After testing both CyberGhost VPN and IPVanish myself, I would recommend giving a better alternative a try. Check out the free trial in the first link in the description below. You'll get the best trial period and exclusive benefits only available through our link. Trust me, it's worth it if you want a VPN that's reliable, fast, and secure for both frequent travelers and multi-device households.